Ready to revolutionize your coding workflow? Claude AI is transforming VSCode development in ways you never imagined. This isn't just another code assistant, it's your intelligent programming partner that understands context, anticipates your needs, and collaborates like a seasoned developer. Claude's constitutional AI architecture goes beyond simple autocomplete. It provides real-time code quality assessment, intelligent refactoring suggestions, and automated testing generation. The results? Developers are seeing 67% faster code writing, 43% fewer production bugs, and 58% improvement in code maintainability. But here's where it gets exciting. Claude enables natural language to code translation, cross-file dependency analysis, and even generates documentation based on your code's intent. We're not just talking about productivity gains. We're witnessing the birth of cognitive programming partnerships, where AI doesn't replace developers, but amplifies human creativity. The future of programming is here, and it's powered by intelligent collaboration. Ready to experience the next level of development?